You look really cozy.
Welcome to the vlog, Megan Victoria.
Morning. Morning, guys. I'm really actually quite sleepy today. We have such a full day. So I'm not going to talk to you forever here because I'm barely functioning yet. But we're going to just shower and coffee. And I'll explain today's festivities.
I know. Happy birthday. We're trying to say happy birthday, Mella.
Mel, that's my nostril.
How birthday cookies! Cheers!
Morning, everyone. How's it going? So, you saw a very quick snippet of me waking up, and now I've showered. I have moisturizer on. We're good, you know. I need very simple things in life. But today is my birthday vlog, and we have a jam-packed day. Like, what else would you expect? For whenever I vlog, it's usually like I have 10 things in one day, and I'm just like, why did I choose to vlog this? But anyways, so first, to start off the day, I have a bunch of prom girls coming over. So I'm at my parents' house right now, and basically what I do every year is I organize it. So I have my old high school, and it's kind of been like a generational thing that I've just done prom since like almost, I think like 10 years now. So I've been doing prom since I was in grade 9, and did like all the grade 12s, and then became grade 10, and then still did the grade 12s, etc., right? So now this is my 4th or 5th year out of high school doing proms. It's interesting because now I like really don't know anyone, and that's like so weird because, you know, like I'm from a small town, so, you know, everyone kind of knows each other. But like, you know, it's not too crazy. We're done by like 1 or 2 o'clock. Then we're gonna do a fun birthday get ready with me on live, which so many undecided factors. But then we are going to the Toronto Influencer Dinner, so that's so exciting. So it's the first influencer dinner that they're putting on. It's got lots of sponsorships. It's just gonna be a fun night of like all your favorite influencers. So I'm gonna kind of like, I'm gonna be doing vlogging tonight. That'll be crazy. And then, of course, one more thing. I'm actually having my birthday party. I wasn't going to do this, but last minute I did. I decided, like, hey, why not? And apparently everyone could come. Last year my birthday was such a hot mess. It was such a wreck. Everything was terrible and scarring for life. But this year I'm feeling good. I'm excited. So with that said, I'm gonna drink my coffee, and then we're into work time, and it is like 8 a.m. So it'll be a day, kids. It'll be a day. Hey guys, so midday check-in. I finished one of my appointments early, and my client isn't here for another 5 minutes. So
And I took a shit.
Can you not? I will put that in the video.
I took 2 shits.
Stop.
Do you have yours like armpit hair?
No, stop it. Jacob.
You guys want to dye that? Put some makeup on that?
I'm sorry. Today has been really fun. I love glamming everyone up. I'm so excited. We only have 2 more people. We've got 4, so we have only 2 more. It'll be exciting. It'll be good. I'm ready. we finished. We're done. Oh my god, I have some bread. This is all I've eaten today. Okay, I'm so strange. But yeah, we are all done. It was so much fun. I love doing prom makeup because it's like glamorous. You can bring out the glitter, you can bring out the lashes. Like, the girls want glam. Like, I'm so down. So I had a lot of fun doing prom. I really enjoyed it. So now, I was gonna nap, but now I'm kind of concerned I won't have enough time. So I think I'm just gonna start curling my hair. Turned myself from like little infant child into like glamorous woman thing. But anyway, I don't know why I'm talking so much. I'm just gonna eat some bread and then we're gonna curl my hair. That sounds so weird. Alright, we are curled up. So basically when I curl my hair, like when I'm doing it this kind of style, I need it like dirty. So there's a lot of product in there. It's very stiff, but it'll brush out and it'll be like a lot softer. But I'm really kind of going for like draggy Kesha vibes tonight. Just want to be like glam, but like a little bit of hot mess glam, because like that's the best kind of glam. I love looking like I just left a club at like 4 a.m. I think it's a good look. I call it like Hollywood hangover, and that's kind of how I describe my going out style. Alright guys, so here is the birthday beat. So I just went with something super bronzy. I just want to be a dripping bronze goddess, and then I have my giant big curly hair, and now it is time that I get changed and we get out the door, because as always, you know, time slips away. I'm just about to get changed. I just did my body bronze, so I'm feeling pretty bronze goddessy. I just did want to tell you guys, so the dress you're about to see, I need to give a huge thank you and shout out to Rent Frock Repeat. So Rent Frock Repeat is a amazing like dress rental place. It's like, you know, I'm going to an event tonight. It's really hard nowadays to like not wear the same thing twice, but also like not Instagram the same thing twice. So I just borrowed a dress and they actually sponsored this dress for me. So thank you so much to them. And one of my really good friends actually works there, and so she was able to style me and do a little fitting, and it was like really special. So I just did want to say thank you so much. And you guys, if you're in the Toronto area, you should definitely hit them up, because say you've got a wedding or something, like you don't want to spend a lot of money on a dress, you can just borrow one for the day and then you're done and like return it and then you get a new dress. Like, you know, they are so accommodating. They have so many different styles. They're very elegant, very glamorous. So just wanted to say thank you so much to Rent Frock Repeat. So I have no idea if I got enough footage getting ready. It's always so crazy getting out the door. We're on the road. We're on our way to the dinner. I'm super excited. I'm loving my vibe. I basically feel like if Megan Victoria was like a cartoon, this is like what she would look like. So, you know, like the characters like wear the same outfit like every single day of their lives. Like I feel this is what my like spirit animal or my soul looks like. I'm really into it. But yeah, we're on our way to the dinner. I'm so excited. I'm like editing all my photos because I'm like, they look good, I want to post them. And then it'll be a super fun night with my friends afterwards. And yeah, today's been like great, and I'm still standing, so like we're good, you know? So I'm wearing my pole dancing shoes, and I was just like, oh my god, people are actually like gonna see that I'm wearing these, and my mom's like, well, you know, transparency's in. Which is actually so true, but yes, they're now a fashion statement, not just to, you know, give me like 6 inches of height. We're here. Okay, well, like, sort of. But getting to the front door seems to be the issue.
Actual address of this road for Rent House.
So I just walked into a wedding. Clearly, I got dropped off at the wrong door. We're gonna try this again. Try and find the event. I was literally like, there's a flower girl. There's like children. This is a legit wedding. There's a lot of men. Oh my god, now I'm followed. Alright, let's try this again. worst drug. This is so cute. We got their streamers. Stop. Oh my god.
Megan, don't lie. You did.
I did not do this myself.
Oh my god, surprise!
Oh my god. Oh my god. No.
Me giving myself a present. Oh, it's gonna fall out.
Oh my god.
Yes, I know. Yes. Get the fuck.
Alright, we're recording. I'm at Megan Victoria's place. She's super famous. I actually can't believe that I know her. She's on the ground. Can you believe it? Like a commoner. Like some kind of street person. Alright, bye for now.
I want the fame.
Megan.
Okay, so how do you know Megan?
I don't.
Me neither. We're kind of just here. The door's open. Free booze.
Yeah, come on down. Lemonade.
We said we meet a celebrity, but we didn't. So
I don't know why I'm here. There's no dog.
no, we were promised a dog, and the dog's not here. She'll see this later, and she'll thank us. So, Josh, are you happy that Megan turned 23? I don't think the camera's on. No, it is. It's just recording.
Hello, Megan. Happy birthday.
No, I said, how do you feel about her turning 23?
And I said, happy birthday, Megan. I love you.
Well, that's not a feeling, that's more of a phrase. But I think he feels excited for her being 23. I think it's a new stage in her life. Okay, I have to go. We're all gonna play Cards Against Humanity. Bye.
Megan, how flexible are your legs? I noticed. How far can you put them up? Like, yeah, let's see. Show me before we take this photo. Yeah? Any more? Great, we're rolling on that. That is B-roll.
Let's go.
Oh my god. Oh, B-roll.
Oh my god. Sorry. I feel like Beyonce. Chelsea?
Welcome to the vlog, Megan Victoria.
7 o'clock. We went to bed at like 5 o'clock. Yeah, oh my god. 2 hours of like a 20-hour work day. Huzzah. Day of the life. Yes, that's so dope. I'm gonna do that now. Callan, are we winning at life? We are winning at life.
Happy birthday! Hi guys, I'm Megan.
Am I Megan Victoria?
I think do some.